Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Siri and Bluetooth are turned on because CarPlay relies on voice and permissions. Once done, unlock your iPhone and plug a certified Lightning cable into the Seltos USB port labeled for data, or choose wireless pairing if available. You'll see a permission prompt on the phone. Tap Allow, because the system needs access to calls, messages, and maps. Make sure the car is in park while you complete this step, so the infotainment accepts the connection safely. Now open CarPlay from the UVO screen. You'll see your iPhone apps laid out. You should configure app order from your iPhone under Settings General CarPlay so frequently used apps sit front and center. Use the steering wheel voice button to call up Siri. This minimizes distraction and explains why voice control matters for safety. While testing, start turn-by-turn navigation and play audio to confirm sound routes to the car speakers. If an app won't open, return to the home CarPlay screen and try again. To finish, set audio and climate controls as needed. CarPlay hands off app audio but vehicle controls remain primary. When you're done, end CarPlay by tapping the home or eject icon and safely unplug the cable or disconnect from Bluetooth for wireless pairs. If CarPlay fails to appear, first restart your iPhone and try a different Apple-certified cable because damaged cables are a common culprit. If problems persist, confirm CarPlay is allowed in Settings General CarPlay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.